So we found a problem. There's a printed circuit, and its code was no 5-volt reference from the engine ECU, and this was laying against the turbo, so it definitely cooked it. And one of the 5-volt feeds was going to a low coolant level sensor. So that was a bet man. I'd say this is going to fix our problem. And here on the laptop you can see the code. You can read that sensor supply 5-volt below normal, and that's from the ECU or ECM here, same thing. And you can see the engine coolant level sensor is one of the 5-volt one of the references going to the low coolant sensor. So I'm sure that'll fix it once we find the right part. We're going to take one off another bus just to double check, make sure the codes will disappear on us. I'm pretty confident that's going to work.